Hello everyone. Hold on. Trying to fix some mic issues. I don't know what's doing that. Alright, hold on. And that didn't fix it. Okay, that should be better. Okay, that is way better. Alright, awesome. How's everyone? Is everyone doing good? Hello guys, I'm starting here in a second. In the process of things. It was done. I was this looks like one thing was added, and I was like, that's great. Only one thing was added. Cool. Alright, awesome. Stop that. Alright. Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing? Great. So the rundown that I wanted to kind of do today is kind of like work on the ship models a bit and get those kind of good. Essentially fixing some slight model issues with Nebula, getting that out of the way, and then working on Nova, getting that build ready. But you know, that's pretty much it. I think that the only thing that needs to be adjusted on Nebula as of right now is these railings. There's these set of railings here that need to be fixed. It's only these three. And I've noticed it yesterday. So I will fix it now. Okay, they're fixed. Quick and simple. Very quick and simple. Okay, do that. Cool. It's pretty much done and dealt with. Mojave, if you want to speak, go for it. Not to stay muted. Answer questions if you want to. Either way. I need to pull up YouTube chat. I'm going to get this new version of Nebula's Railings in here. Get this dealt with so I don't have to touch Nebula again.
Wolf,
Yeah.
so someone has requested that you up your mic volume a bit.
Oh, volume.
A bit. Yeah.
Alrighty. That should be better. Should be higher. I don't know. Something's pretty odd with this. I don't know. Apparently, I have to get really close to my mic for it to be loud. Mesh? What? What? Huh? Okay. Thanks for the unique error that means nothing. Where's my railings at? Cool. Why does it do that? Import railings. Alright. Can I, like... No, I didn't want to take that with me. Come on. Okay, cool. I know that was not even... Let's do this. I cannot see what I'm doing right now. And the model has disappeared. Cool. This is how development goes, guys. So it's very... This is pretty much what I have to deal with every day. I need to pull up chat. I don't know why they do that. Tough crowd. I don't know how to make plants. So that would have to be a tuna thing. Tuna has a lot of work. So, yeah. I'm just trying to get this done over with. And then I gotta make the triangle railing so that people can use that. Can... What? Whoa, what are you? Oh, I haven't done the little material thing yet. Okay. I was like wondering on what that was about. Bobby, can you like actively talk so it's not awkward for me to just sit here in silence? Please. The silence is unbearable. Bobby, someone, please. Unbearable. Cool. So that should be done. Okay. Uh, Bobby, can you not like speak? I see you chatting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If anyone want to ask questions, go ahead and ask them. I just need people to speak. Cool. Do we know if there's anything possible release date for alpha release? We don't have an exact date, but it's we're in the range of 1 to 2 months here, pretty soon. So it's just a sooner or later of when we can get work done, which should be pretty soon when school lets out. Also, what is this? Why is there a random part here? What? What? I'm not even gonna question it. I don't know what that is about. Not even gonna. Not even. Nope. Not even. Okay. Anyway, I need to keep working on this. I need to stay busy. Can't get sidetracked. Dixit doesn't have any of these. Well, it just only needs the material check, doesn't need inner wall stuff. Copy. Paste into. And two. Remove all of those. Remove all of those. Bring this to the back. Alright, cool. So, okay, we can actually kind of get this rolling here. So if we could set this to grab these two materials, this would be number 1. And that would also be okay, actually, hold on. This is that stays. Oh, okay. So we can just actually just set this to 1 and let it sit there. It'll be perfectly fine. So that should be good now. A random part not yeah. Pretty much center of the ship. There's not anything to material check on number 5, so we'll skip down to 4. That can go. Oh. Whoops. This needs to go down to 4. Never fuzz that one. Whoops. Alright, materials. This needs to be set to 1. Not 13. 1. Okay, cool. So that one's finished. So from here down, material checks are finished. So then we just need to move up. Pretty much it. And then the Explorer's pretty much done. Jokes. Stay focused. Alright, cool. Getting thirsty. Alright, what am I doing? Okay, cool. Material check. I think, okay, so the walls are done. It's just the material checks. Okay. 2, 8. Delete these. And delete these. We go to this one. There. Grab this one. Put that one there. Leave that one. Here. Okay, so this would be 2, 3 parts. Wood, carpet, wood. Wood. Oh, back there. So we need put all these materials. We make a 4th one. Go all the way to the back. Put it there. This 4. Alright, so this is number 4. This is number 3. 2, 1. Alright, cool. Should probably 3. Try to close that gap up. The gap's kind of getting kind of dumb. I don't know why. Slight gap. Check here. Okay. Okay. Copy. Grid line. Paste. Oh, 20. 8.2. Wood. Carpet. Delete. Materials. 1, 2, 3. Just move that back. Pretty much set and done, except for this needs to be moved back. Alright. That's 3. If you don't already, can you have make signs? Huh? If you don't already, can you make signs? What do you mean by make signs? Like what are you describing in signs here? Sign of the ship. Oh, that stuff would kind of like be done with our graphics designer and another modeler. He's currently sleeping right now because he's a different part of the world. We'll probably be on later today, and then um do that. But it is planned to have signs. Okay, so we just need copy 10. Oh no, okay. Material check 1. Okay, we need to bring this back over. This is 2. Materials. Oh, parts. Good. 2. Cool. Okay. So this floor is done. And then next. Oh, we can have that one. Two. Materials. Alright. Cool. So Nebula's done. That's all done. So that should be the final touches for Nebula. Although besides the text stuff, so should probably get that underway here. These names are here. Up. What? Okay. Kind of rotate that. I think it's moved too far back. Right there. Yeah, okay, there you go. Let me get this other thing taken care of. Okay, cool, that one's taken care of. Ship class, ship name. All right. Needs to be set to, this would be 10. Uh, they like centered. Yeah, pretty much. The Nova class would cost 120 million, so it's quite up there. Okay. Let's look at other things here. What could we add into the game? Let's see if we can do the movie theater. Movie theater actually won't be that bad. Okay, yeah, we're doing the movie theater. And copy this model over. Okay. We can actually get rid of all of those. This I kind of want to be material checked. We'll name that 1. Kind of have everything as a model. So what we want to do is have the hitboxes and such. We can move this over into the movie. Cool. We want to name this bit 4. Yep. All right. Flooring is there. Hitbox is done. The door. We want a wood door there and a wood door there. Okay, we can actually get rid of those walls. And this is where we can go ahead and putting in these. Cool. And then this one. All right, so those are there. And we need a place box for the movie theater. So we will go ahead and get that over with. Okay. Now we want a material check. Material check. And the material. Actually, we can just take this material check. Put this in the movie theater. I need to catch up. Okay, never mind. Nothing. That's nothing. Oh crap. But you know, you guys are chill. Okay. So that should be there. This gives it to entertainment. And we're gonna test it. And it's so building. What? What is this? What? What? Hold on. The structure is disappearing. Okay. Um. So. Oh, it's labeled wooden door. Wood door. I wonder if that fixes the kind of open it does. And it does. Cool. Cool beans. There's the movie theater guys. Hooray. Yippee. And if you were to place that there, it changes the color. It's cool, right? So cool. With air. Air, okay. Air just does nothing. Glass just, okay. But yeah, that's kind of pretty much what it is. Let me actually kind of get this, this color here because it's actually going to be the new carpet color. Instead of the navy blue. You should kind of like see that. So the movie theater should now be done. Alright, we can save this. I wonder if that actually works. Oh yeah, that worked. Cool. Import contains 7 errors. Oh, it's just the material. That's fine. This is fine. Wait a minute. I never. Oh, I never group choose model. I did. Okay. Triangle steel railing. Triangle glass railing. What did I name this? Fuel bar. Bar. Okay, cool. Now timing it these into the respective positions. Time to color. We're starting out with the wood. Right. The steel. Alright. Time for the glass. It's already it's currently released into pre-testing, so you can actually play it right now, but it will be closed the 18th, so we can work on more features for alpha. Here, let me get the link for y'all. Okay, what does it say? How you know how the forward and what? I'm not even a question. All right. Two. Two. Sure, walls, railings, cool. Triangle, steel. Triangle, glass ring. Triangle. Tall glass. Alright, so I'm going to need a different version of this one and this one to have the opposite side. Mirror the Y. area. What are we doing? Why my it's not letting me import. Save. Close. That import. Cool. Is it there? One. There. There. Alright, cool. Point two. Alright. That needs to M. Alright. So we need to have this on both of these. This needs that wood. Right, this one and this one. We need the white. Need the material. Right, that. And that. Plastic. Okay, and this. Plastic. Make it 6. We need to move this around. No, stop. Quit doing this to me. Okay. this needs to go there. Awesome, cool. So, and it's broken. That would be because this and this don't have that. You need these. Oh, hold on. What? Okay. Awesome. So that is now a thing. Okay. All right. Okay, so that needs to be flipped. That's not supposed to happen. Oh no. Something's odd with something's odd with this. What is going on? Yes, there would be a visible grid. We should probably rotate the place blocks of these. Let's get 80. Okay, awesome. Now we just got to add those to here. Extension railing. Moved there. And we playtest. This block needs to be flipped to 180. Is that on every floor? Oh my god, it is. That's on every floor. Going back to Nebula. Huh? Don't go to the building system play. Server script service what? Oh yeah, I've seen it. I already seen it. I have already seen it. I added the slanted railings and such here. So all the railings are done. I gotta fix the Nebula's front again. It's just getting annoying at this point. That's what I have to deal with every single time. Shouldn't take too long. Back to the drawing board with this. Gotta fix it again. My goodness gracious. Bill. Wait, why am I doing this? When I could just literally just do this. Select that. Select that. Select that. Move 1.1.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What are you working on right now?
I have to redo the front railings again because I misjudged again. That's just a simple fix.
CSC.
Why do I get? This make me ingy. Why can I not select that part? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now I can go back to doing this. Move this forward. This is on deck. One. Alright. That one's done.
All right. Question from chat. Yeah, there will be a visible grid. We're working on that.
I've already answered that.
I see. I see.
You're late to the party.
Real. All right.
Oh, come on. Okay. Leave that there. Alright. Okay, so 8 and 9 could be closed. Alright, these two can be moved up to 12 parts. 2 there. That to 1. Move that here.
Well, how many ships are we gonna be able to have per um
Save file.
like per save? Yeah, save file.
Probably like 5, most likely.
All right.
Copy. But then here, replace walls, paste into what? What? Why did I just place into there? Paste in original location. There you go. 4.6.
Also, earlier there were questions about models, but anybody who was asking that, while Wolf does do the ship models and stuff like that, Tuna is the main designer on all models. So when you're building, and you're building right now, anyone who's in build mode, you'll see all the models of stores, like our restaurants, like the Believe, the pizza place, all the staterooms and stuff like that. That's all made by Tuna. A couple of them are made by Wolf, but we're slowly phasing. Those are basically older models that are going to be phased out. And Tuna is in the process of working on this stuff right now, but I don't believe he's online. So for any questions about that, I'll notify Tuna and get back to you when I have an answer.
Alright, slanted, the triangle railings are done. So all railings are finished. Nebula's finished.
Good. Did you make sure the UV unwrap was fixed, or is that something else?
I'm not even gonna bother doing that. I'm not. I'm no. Nope. 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 Nope.
Bro, you gotta fix it, or it's gonna be like that.
Nope. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Nope.
You're gonna have to bite the bullet.
I'm not going to.
You don't gotta do it today, but you're gonna have to do it eventually.
I don't want to do it right now. I don't want to import
Alright.
anything.
Alright, that's fine. Then don't do anything right now.
I'll have
Just
Tuna
work on
do
what
it.
you're working on. Hurry.
I'll have him do it.
He'll be the perfect person to do it.
Totally. But I think that this version is ready to go out.
What's the what's the version?
Well, there's not a version number, but
Oh,
triangle railings have been added. The slanted version of the tall glass has a mirrored version, and the triangle glass, tall glass one has a mirrored version. So people
that's
won't
nice.
complain. What else? Oh, the movie theater has been added.
Nice.
And that was pretty. And the carpet color has changed.
I see. I see.
That's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. I need to figure out what a crypton is. There's already people asking for mobile support. Already. I guess people want to play while they're at school. Anyway. How many people are on the stream right now? 13.
We have around 13.
13. 13 to 14. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's gotten to 18, 19 at one point,
That's nice. That's nice.
but it's just been up and down. What about not just cabinets, but entertainment and commerce assets that stretch multiple floors? Yeah, there will be stuff that stretches multiple floors. And here comes cruise missile stuff. Okay.
I would advise everyone who wanted cruise missile stuff that it's been added, not like in a way you probably expect, but it's a sneak.
There.
We
It's
won't.
there.
Yeah,
it's
it's
there.
there. You have to look for it. It's a Easter egg. Probably actually been shown in a devlog. Let me check actually.
Yes. Oh, I think it has. Let me check it with the Kratom if this update is ready to be pushed. Kratom is ready to be pushed. Also, I made it for the movie theater. If you place a tile right here, it changes the material and the color of this right here.
Let's see. I see.
So you can have like wood and this be wood and instead of carpet. So, alright. This update is ready to be pushed. Save to Roblox as is.
Wait. Don't publish it yet.
Oh wait, hold on. Publish to Roblox as.
All right. Just warned everyone that there will be a server shutdown.
What if we publish as instead of save as?
Would you call this a bug fix or more of performance? More or less.
I don't think it's performance. It's just adding objects.
Yep. All right, everybody knows the server shutdown's coming. See if we're having any more.
New update. There's a new update. We're not shutting down servers. So you just have to get in a new server.
I would advise just shutting down the servers because everybody's already been told.
Well, a critum doesn't want me to shut down servers.
Let's see.
I'm gonna I'm gonna migrate servers. First I'm gonna post update in the logs. Update. Added new railings. Fixed Nebula and some parts. Added movie theater. The 8 Okay, cool. Servers. Migrate to the latest update. Yes. Well, servers have shut down, and servers are back up. Where's my mooring lines? I have no mooring lines. What? Doc. Okay, there's my mooring lines. Is there a planned release date? No, there's not a specific planned release date, but it is there. It's expected to 1 to 2 months. Pretty soon.
Don't be giving out numbers like that yet, Wolf. There's still a few major systems that need to be.
I said 1 to 2 months.
Yeah, 1 to 2 months. It's only 60 days. That'll go by extremely fast in coding terms.
Well, you see, school's about to release, so even more developing time.
Still, some of the features cannot be rushed because it's core assets of the game. So just keep that in mind.
I hope you know Critum and Bert work really fast. Like, building was done in a few days.
Alright, whatever you say, boss.
What do you mean, what do you say? A Critum, like stays up like 3 in the morning working on the game. What will well, there's really not a free ship, but the starter ship is Explorer, and I will show that off. It's this minus the builds on it. Load on my Nebula. It's not letting me load on my Nebula. And it's broke. Found a bug.
This is why it's called pre-alpha testing.
Found a bug. Can't.
Are you guys looking into the performance with the walls and stuff? I believe Tuna was saying something about it this morning. I don't exactly know where I think he's doing test. Might be wrong though.
Do what?
I believe Tuna's doing test, but I might be wrong because he said earlier this week that he had AP test or something.
Are you sure that's not someone else?
Or I know that was you, but I remember Tuna also bringing that up.
I feel like that was Fuzz that brought that up.
I don't know.
No. Tuna was doing a ACT or SAT, not AP.
Oh, I see. Yeah, he did mention this morning that he was looking into this. He must be busy then right now. That's fun. I am finally out of school, so I'll be on all night, so we can cook.
Oh, I'm still in school. I have this entire week, and then Monday and Tuesday, and then I'm out. It's so unbearable. This is gonna be the longest week ever. It's so dumb. I have a final on Wednesday for my welding class.
We probably, keep in mind, we should probably schedule something tonight to look into mobile and tablet support testing. I have a phone. I don't have a tablet though. But we should probably look in to see how we can. Right now, there are right now. Let's be a bit serious. Right now, people are asking for mobile and tablet support. There's lots of people in the Roblox group wall talking about it. So we should probably, of course, this can't be fixed in one day, but we should probably start looking into it. Just keep in mind. So anybody who is playing on tablet or watching the stream who has a phone or tablet they'd like to play on, right now it's not officially supported. It might work, but it's gonna be very probably very annoying and time consuming to build something of great detail on a tablet or mobile device, but we're looking into it.
I can't go on my Nebula. I want to go on my Nebula. What do I have a feeling I know who that is? Oh. I thought it was, oh, it's Axolotl. Explore Nebula. Okay, I can finally switch back and forth.
Oh yeah, did you answer Silent Rabbit's questions? And the
yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
In the YouTube chat, yeah, I did. What is going on here? We have a conga line. Guys, it's the wall in Saudi Arabia. What is this? Go to my go and start working on this.
Is that the official low poly look, or are you gonna improve it a bit?
Well, this is what Acritum did. He kind of whipped this up real quick.
Well, that's good. That's fine. As long as yeah, but I would little things like the front bow and stuff probably need to be fixed.
Bro is pushing that Explorer.
like a tugboat. It is a tugboat.
It's really not a named port. Oh, what is that?
What?
Oh,
Hey,
I know
no,
what
no.
that is. I know what that is. I know what that is. It's
Oh, no, no.
these. It's these stupid things.
Those, I see.
I don't know what they're there for, but you know, they're there.
I'll keep them untransparent, just in case they're important.
But they're really not. They have no purpose. It's just there to see the width of the stuff.
I see.
It's kind of dumb.
Isn't the sport supposed to be revamped or deleted, more or less?
Do what?
Isn't the sport supposed to be revamped or?
No,
Because
all
I
the
believe,
ports are getting redone. Tuna's in the process of getting that done.
yeah. So, Mr. Pigeon, to answer your question, a lot of these were like basically placed in quickly for testing and stuff like that. Like I said, with the models, Tune is going through and redoing them, and he's making excellent progress. May I say? Of course, you can only really see like a few things, the public, but behind the scenes, Tune has been, I guess in quotes, cooking. He's extremely good at his job. He can make models in less than an hour that are like some of the stuff you're building with right now. He's made in record time. He's a talented man.
Very talented. Although I shouldn't be doing that. Ooh, should probably do hot tub there. And people there.
But of course, it's important to state, like always, this is like pre-alpha testing. So like I know lots of the building seems kind of like strange in a way, where it's like it's almost like there's not many pool selections. It kind of feels unpolished. Just remember, this is more like what you're seeing is more or less what the developers have been working with. It's kind of, oh, does the system work more or less? We're actually going to be, the system will be polished for game release. Don't worry, guys. Like, for example, the UI you're seeing right now, this is temporary UI that the developers have been using to develop because, of course, you can't just not test the systems, but you also don't want to waste the time making polished UI for a test system. So I hope you guys can understand that. Because building UI will look a lot more polished, more or less just like the ship movement UI that you can see on the screen right now. Below on the bottom, you can see the very professional and extremely modern looking UI. This will be what building looks like eventually. Because this is more or less a systems test than it is like a ooh nice pretty game test, more or less. We're just testing how the system's gonna work with
and
players and all of that.
And how the engagement is.
Mm-hmm. And we're seeing good numbers. Where lots of people are playing. We're, like we have 10, I believe 10 people playing right now. Let me check. Get the status.
Oh my goodness. Oh wait.
We got about 10 active players right now.
Oh,
We're on
that's UV wrapped fine. That one's fine right there. I think it's just the direction I make it in Blender.
But more or less, this is just like a progress update to let the community know that we've been working on the game and that we're not sitting here doing nothing.
It's the direction I make it in Blender because look, it's perfectly fine.
How do you join the game? Believe. Do you have a link?
Yeah, there's a link. There's a link pinned in the YouTube chat.
Yeah, in the YouTube live chat, there should, on the top of the chat, there should be, it's a Quality Studios link, and it's www Roblox code share. You can see, I believe, if you can't, I'll send it again. Actually, I'll go ahead and send another link in for you. This is the game page. You should be able to play as long as you're on PC. If you're not on PC, you can probably, you do have access. Mobile and tablet can join the game. It's not gonna kick you out, but it's from what we've seen, it's not a good experience so far because we don't have official support for it yet.
Keyword yet. Also, we have seen some of the people that have built so far, and we're pretty amazed on what y'all have accomplished in one day alone. Y'all have some creativity. These stupid hitboxes, I swear. Not even funny. Like, playing around with this, it's quite enjoyable.
I would also say,
Do what?
I don't know if I would also say, with the absolute scale of these ships, because I honestly haven't been able to playtest as much as I would want to, but now that I'm like just really looking at Nebula, we got Nova, all these ships, they're actually ginormous. So I feel
Yeah, but
like
it's
when
also
we
like a
add
real.
what
It's kind of realistic scale.
yeah. It's basically like City Skylines 2, how it's a more realistic scale than the original game. It's a more realistic feel than the cartoony feel of CST.
But you can like
Oh,
pack way more into a ship and
mhm.
design it.
And
I could
the problem I see with it though is
I could pull up examples here.
I know. I understand where you're going with. I'm not hating on it. But I will say the problem I'm seeing with this is that on NPCs, there's going to be a hard limit we're probably going to have on how many a ship can have. So I've really thought of this idea, and I believe it's a pretty good idea, is that you should have a max limit of actual how many visible NPCs will appear on the player's ship.
Dude,
But
I'm
you can
looking at
also,
this.
like, after... Oh,
Dude,
apologies.
I'm looking at these screenshots now. Like, oh my god, I didn't realize how like ginormous like they've like made these ships. Stage. That's actually a really good use of the balcony dividers. Wow, I'm actually
Can you forward
surprised,
this to me?
dude. Oh my god, this is so good. I didn't
To get back on
realize.
topic, to get back on topic, though,
Yeah.
I would advise that there is a system where there's a hard limit of how many visible NPCs are shown on the ship, and then after that it'll be math calculations. For example, if you have 500 like NPCs on the ship, 200 of them will show up, and then like the other 300 will basically be in the code, not visible, but still earning the player money like a normal NPC, but not visible, which should help with performance wise. Of course, it's just an idea. You'd have to bring it up with the programmers and your lead developer. So you'd have to, approve of the idea. It would allow the player to take advantage. Because at this point, with how big the ships are, people are going to easily be able to build ships with more than 200 rooms, or just more than what you would think would cause, would basically get to the point where you're going to start feeling extreme game performance hits. So I just advise we look into performance updates, performance considerations, and stuff like that.
Let's see. But yeah, I've been working on this little back bit. Like, look at this.
Yeah, it looks nice. It looks nice. Yes, there will be trees, bushes, plants, and decorations like that, and a lot more than what CST offered. I was talking to Tuna last week about that. He's never really designed like natural models like that. He's more or less like the hardlined, like hot pool stuff like that. Like, because nature is more or less random. It's not like defined circles, stuff like that. It's like interesting shapes, branches, stuff like that. And he's, I believe, at the moment, like looking into how he'll do this. But yes, he will be modeling plants and stuff like that, while offering a lot more options than what CST offered. Because CST, I believe, you got 4 plant options, and they were all just potted plants. Because we're gonna look into, of course, just natural plants and stuff too. So you can do like the garden on the Oasis class ships and stuff like that. But of course, I would also advise asking the developer, which is Wolf, because he's more or less in charge of development. I can just say stuff. Yeah, yeah. Like I said, it's pre-alpha testing, so not everything is final. There's going to be a lot more stuff to work with when the game launches.
Hold on. Okay, Javi, go to Ship of the Week submission, and there's one that is listed as I spent 16 hours sitting on my butt doing the ship, so I can't lose. And it's the person, you can look at all their screenshots.
See, when you see stuff like this, you really got to think about those performance things, because my god.
Hold on, why is there floating table? Oh, it's glass.
It's a beautiful ship.
Oh my god. Dude, that actually looks sick.
Oh, it's the same person who did the other ship.
Hold on, look at my screen. Or look at my camera.
I'm looking.
Dude, it looks like it's curved. Look at that. That's awesome. That's actually really cool. Wow, okay.
Should honestly run a competition of things that will be shown on the game page, like the little slideshow that Roblox has.
Oh yeah.
Because CST does that. I believe a lot of their screenshots are like player ships. So
That's sick though. Yeah, Nova is bigger.
Yeah, all the ships that have been submitted are really good. Like great, like this is. It's nice to see the community's already using what they've got from pre-alpha testing and making absolutely amazing creations. Can't wait to see what they're gonna make with the full game.
Yeah, I can't wait for the rope courses, roller coasters, the slides, and the whole ordeal. This is gonna be awesome. Top tier. All right, let's look at people here. Okay. Uh, all right, let's see. There. Okay. I'm going to leave this server. All right. Check servers. As of right now, it says there's 10 people active. 9 people. 1.7k place visits, 109 votes. So, yeah, pretty much. I've been pinged. Can you see me images of good ships? Ship in the week. Okay. This is awesome. All right, let's go look at other people's ships here. I don't think there's really anything happening here. Nope, just chilling. Okay, there's something built here. Some stuff has been built. The use of the okay. That shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. Why does it do that? That is another bug fix that we gotta do. Alright. Oh, there's... Ooh. Okay. Oh, this is just the Explorer alone. Look at this. This is actually kind of neat. I kind of want Tuna to make, like, another version of these where it's, like, extended wide.
I see.
You know, it's like the... what the...
No privacy.
No privacy. Cool. Oh, okay.
Government overreach? Government
That's actually
overwatch?
cool. That's like actually kind of cool of the windows and such. This is like really cool. I really love this. This is awesome. This is the best choice we've done so far. Made people play this public. See, I'm actually contemplating if we need to add roof things like this.
Little roof tiles like that?
Yeah.
It always has tuna.
It's not hard to make. All I gotta do is just make a cube, move it up 8.2, and have the place box at the bottom, and just let it sit there. Pretty much there.
Little helipad. Honestly, should honestly add official helipads to the game. Not more or less functional, but I don't know.
There's like saunas.
You can tell that's where they want like
This is kind
They
of
were gonna put like the
cool.
mustard deck.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. Oh, what is happening here? Oh, it's
Collision.
a ship. No, it's a ship model and someone who never got despawned. Um. Oh, what just happened? All right. Um. Okay. All right. Um. Where am I exactly? Oh, you're back. Yes. Oh, you can see a server. Or it's not a server, it's a battery. Oh, I said server. Oh, ships do despawn. Okay, good. What the? Yep. Okay, that should be happening. They have a lot of restaurants. It's kind of cool. Hobby you're mid. It's just all. Okay, that's kind of neat. What's in here? Oh. Oh. Okay. Food and stuff. Cool. Kind of unique of the new stairs. Okay. It's kind of awesome. Let's see if this dude has what? Oh, right here. No, nothing here. Okay. Okay. Let's look at other ships. Looks like there's nothing on this one. What about the Explorer? Okay, there's something here. Oh, it's just this one. Oh, egg. Or not egg. Victoria. That's doing pretty well. Pretty well. Oh, desktop. Okay. This is cool. Kind of unique. Why does it do that? Oh, it's all the open ones. I'm in here. Okay. It's kind of really cool. I like it. I really like it. Dining room. Top tier. Cool. Engines. Storage. Storage. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, okay. It's kind of cool. I really like how in CST everyone's more of like a blocky type of style. In CLD, everyone's going for like curves and such. I don't know why, but it looks really cool. I really like it.
It's easier because the tiles are smaller, so you can do more or less like more curved shapes than
Yeah,
the bigger tiles in CSD.
this looks really awesome. It's just only okay. Let's see. Oh, they got rid of the slanted bits. Oh, trying to make a boardwalk area. Okay, cool, cool. Oh, working up this area. Already using the use of the here. Cool. You can tell that the whoever, you know, didn't have the you can tell if they're new or not when you know, there's the triangle stuff there. This looks really cool. I really like it. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. I feel like eggs here. No. It's really cool. Anything new from anyone here? Let's see. And I think it's broken. Nope. Yep. Is it? It's broken. Okay. No longer broken. Oh, Oh, there's something here. They're actively building here. Okay, I can't tell if it's the the game's broken for me. Oh. How many people are active? 13 people. It's kind of cool. To have a hole in the stairs. Place stairs and add their piles of it. Why is it? This is being annoying. Why is it doing this? I want to go on his ship alone. Let me go on. Yeah, it's not gonna let me. It's not letting me go on his. Yeah, I'll have a look at yours. Nebula. There's so much that is loading. I'm having lag spikes. It's like pulsing. Why is it doing that? Ooh. Okay, why? What does this do? I'm trying to like view this and I'm lagging over here. Let's try again. And we're still pulsing. Okay. Guess we'll just have to view it layer by layer. So what's the design choice here with a bunch of food restaurants back here? Hmm. That's very odd. Okay, I do like what you guys are going with the with that. Um I have a feeling, hold on. I have a feeling something has gone wrong here in the process of this. Large window. The part needs to go on you. Oh, you're the balcony window. Ew. Why are you using balcony windows? Okay, let me look into that. Okay, I see. I see what I did wrong. Point two. Write this down. Point two. Okay, that's fixed. Okay, so this is the regular window, and then this is the balcony one. It's the difference in the tops and the framing of it. The regular large windows have more window space. The balcony windows are kind of smaller. I'm looking at it. I just can't walk around with it being weird. Like, Okay, something is lagging your ship. And I don't know what it is. It's on 1, 2, 3, deck 4 of this. I don't know what it is. I think you used quite a lot of staterooms here than you have should. $39,000 parts just alone on this deck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Out Nebula. Jesus. But I do like the use of that you have makeshift elevators. That's kind of cool. Kind of like that. Well, really like that. A larger ships will come to literally freedom. It's kind of cool though. I really like this. It's very unique. Yes. Ballroom has 3 floors. Which one is the ballroom? The front. Oh yeah, this is the ballroom. Okay, cool. It's actually kind of cool. Okay, so something there needs to be made. Let's get out. Oh my god, that's what I'm talking about. The thing. Wait, I thought there was already half. Never mind. Something marketing that there is visual difference. There is visual difference. Okay, so this is a normal window. You see how the frame of it is very small? This is a normal window. This is a balcony one. The frame is thicker. So that's the difference. So if you want more window space, you want to use the normal ones. Where's the door? There? Or there? Yeah, Star. Couldn't explore it too much because of the lag. What is this abomination? I'm gonna ask. This one's kind of different. Okay. Um. Uh. Mm-hmm. Mm. Hmm. Um. Just now realized that. Yeah, we need to make a visual for the mesh on this one right here, so you can see it. Please, that's been a common issue. You kind of like this, the use of the domes. It's kind of cool. What did I just see? Oh, the pool. It's pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna add more types. Alright, I'm gonna end the dev stream here, and hang out with people in the game. So, it's so, see y'all later.